Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about domain of a function, but this is a special type of case. And the trick I have already told you in the linearity equation. In my video containing linearity equation, I have already told the trick. See here, how to solve this one. Let us see here, then I will tell you. X minus 2 by x minus 3 is greater than 0. So x minus 2 by x minus 3 is greater than 0. How to solve this one? That means you want to solve this question. See here, take the number line. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity, and equate the numerator to 0. That means x is equal to 2. Again equate the denominator to equal to 0. Equate the denominator to 0 and equate the numerator to 0. So numerator will be equal to, that means x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. X minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So 2 and 3 are the critical points. So since 2 is less than 3, so you should write 2 here and you should write 3 here. And see, here the coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is positive. So positive by positive is positive. So take it as positive, here it is negative, here it is positive. Take the alternate sign. And your requirement is positive. So either this interval or this interval. That means x belongs to this interval, minus infinity to open interval, union 3 infinity. Either x will lie in this interval or in this interval. Clear? Now, another question. X minus 1 by x minus 4 is greater or equal to 0. How to solve this one? Okay, see here. This one is infinity, this one is minus infinity. So, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. X minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to 4. That means 1 and 4 are the critical points. So, write 1 here, write 4 here. Coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is positive. So, positive by positive is positive. So, take it as positive, this is negative, this is positive. Okay, and your requirement is positive first. That means this interval or this interval. That means x belongs to minus infinity 1, union 4 infinity. Infinity always open. And equal to 0, p by q will be equal to 0 when p is 0. That means x minus 1 equal to 0, that means x is equal to 1. So 1 should be included. That means put a closed interval here and this should be open. So these are the two conditions. And another condition I am going to tell you. See here, if it is given like this, x minus 2 by 3 minus x. It is greater than 0. So how to solve this one? See here, this is infinity, this is minus infinity. So x minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. 3 minus x equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. So 2, this is 3. But here the coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is negative. So positive by negative is negative. So negative, positive, negative. Alternate sign. From right I am giving. And your requirement is it is positive. It should be positive. Positive means this interval. That means x belongs to 2, 3 open interval. Same type another question I am giving you. X minus 2 by 4 minus x is greater or equal to 0. Take the number line. This is infinity. This is minus infinity. X minus 2 equal to means x is equal to 4 minus x is equal to x is equal to 4. So this is 2, this is 4, and your requirement is, see here, this is a positive. The coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is negative. So positive and negative is negative, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. And what is your requirement? First of all, positive. Positive means x belongs to 2, 4, and equal to 0. Equal to 0 under what condition? P by q will be 0 if p is 0. That means x is equal to 2. So put a closed interval here and put an open interval here. That means 2 should be included and 4 should be excluded. That's why I am given open interval here and this closed interval here, and this will be open interval. Clear? See here, how to find out the domain of this function? You want to find out the domain of root over of exponential by x minus b, and here a is less than b. See here, Here f is well defined. This one is f. F is only fine for x minus a by x minus b under root. Under root, that quantity cannot be negative. It may be positive or 0. Clear? And if it will be negative, so root over of negative is imaginary. So this quantity is greater or equal to 0. Clear? Now draw the number line. This is minus infinity, this is infinity. And what are the critical points? X equal to a and x equal to b. And given a is less than b, that means a should be on the left hand side and b should be on the right hand side. Here the coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is positive. So positive by positive is positive. So this one is positive, this one is negative, this one is positive. Clear? And here x belongs to, your requirement is positive first. That means these two intervals. Minus infinity a union b infinity. I have given open interval infinity and in case of minus infinity. Now equal to 0. P by q will be 0 if p is 0. That means x minus a equal to 0. So x is equal to a. So you should include a and this will be open interval. Clear? So the domain is minus infinity a union b infinity. So this is your domain of the function. This is the domain of the function x to the square root of x minus a by x minus b, where a is less than b. See here, I have given two examples. Domain of x minus square root of x minus 2 by x minus 3 and domain of square root of x minus 1 by x minus 2. And condition is that x minus a by x minus 3, a should be less than b. A should be less than b. That means numerator should be less than denominator. Here 2 is less than 3 and 1 is also less than 2. So here put the answer directly. Domain is minus infinity a. In place of a I am writing 2 union 3 infinity. Here and here minus infinity 1 union 2 infinity. So this is the answer. Clear? See here, second question. Domain of exponential by root over of exponential by x minus b. Here a is greater than b, but in the previous case it was a is less than b. Clear? So here f is well defined for exponential by x minus b. Same process. It is greater equal to 0. So draw the number line. This is infinity. This is minus infinity. The critical points are a and b, but a is greater than b. That means b should be on the left hand side, a should be on the right hand side. So the coefficient of x is positive. Here the coefficient of x is positive. So positive by positive is positive. So this one is plus, this one is minus, this one is plus. Clear? So now let us write x belongs to. First of all, positive. Positive means minus infinity b union a infinity. Clear? Then p by q will be equal to 0. If p is 0, that means x minus a equal to 0. So you should include a and exclude b. So this is the answer. That means minus infinity b union a infinity. So this is the answer. Clear? See here, I have given two examples. Here x minus a by x minus b, but a is greater than b. That means numerator is greater than denominator. So 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. So you can apply directly. See here. So the answer will be minus infinity b. Here b is 2. Union 3 infinity. So this one is closed. Here ab. So you should write b first. That means minus infinity 1 union 2 infinity. So this is the answer. So third time. In the third time it is given square root of x minus a by b minus x, not x minus b. It is b minus x and a is less than b. Clear? Same. F is well defined for x minus a by b minus x is greater or equal to 0. And I am drawing the number line. This is infinity, this is minus infinity. X minus a equal to means x is equal to a and b minus x equal to x is equal to b. That means the critical points are a and b, but a is less than b. So you should write a on the left hand side, b on the right hand side. Here the coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is negative. So positive and negative is negative. So negative, positive, negative. And your requirement is positive first. That means these two. X belongs to AB. Then P by Q will be equal to 0 if P is 0. That means x is equal to A. So put a closed interval in the side of A and open interval in the side of B. So this is the answer. That means AB, this is open interval, this is closed interval. See here, these are the two examples I have given on the basis of this formula. Here I have given A is less than B. A is less than B, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4. Here, so what is the domain? AB, AB means 2, 3. And in case of left hand side should be closed and right hand side should be open. Here, 3, 4. This one open, this one closed. So this is the answer. Clear? The fourth type. Exponential by b minus x, but a is greater than b. In the previous third type, I have given a is less than b. Clear? Here also same process. AP is only fine. For exponential by b minus x is greater or equal to 0. Draw the number line. This is infinity. This is minus infinity. So exponential equal to means x equal to a and b minus x equal to x equal to b. A and b are the critical points. But a is greater than b. So a should be on the right hand side, b should be on the left hand side. And the coefficient of x is positive, here the coefficient of x is negative. So positive and negative is negative. Negative, positive, negative. And your requirement is positive first. That means these two. X belongs to BA and equal to 0. P by Q will be 0 if P is 0. That means x is equal to A. Put a close on the right and open on the left. So this is the answer. That means BA like this. Okay. See here, I have given two examples, and here condition is that A should be greater than B. A is greater than B. A should be greater than B. So 4 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 3. So here the answer is BA. BA means 2, 4. Smaller one should be written on the left hand side, larger one should be written on the right hand side. And the term containing term in the numerator should be enclosed with closed bracket, and the other one should be open. So here 3, 5. So 5 is in the numerator, so put a closed bracket here, here open bracket. Okay. So these are the 4 cases I have told you today, and remember the formula only, and write the answer directly. Okay.